Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show as a daily lotto prediction for Friday 21 December 2023. Today, as a daily lotto single prediction numbers. Number 14, number 5, number 13, number 28, number 34. Today, as a daily lotto single prediction number repeat number 14, number 5, number 13, number 28, number 34. Now as a daily lotto second prediction numbers number 24, number 35, number 34, number 25, number 22. Today as a daily lotto second prediction number repeat number 22, 24, number 35, number 34, number 25, number 22. So friends, complete today as a daily lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Every day as a daily lotto prediction numbers.